Hi, my name is Divya and I'm an interior designer from Design in Kitchen, and today we are at Pritampura. We have recently installed this kitchen with an acrylic finish. The shutters we have used in acrylic finish, and the core material we have used is HHMR, which is waterproof and termite proof. So I'll give you a sneak peek of this kitchen, what we have in store and what we have incorporated in this design completely. So this we have, one is in rolling shutter with a black finish, and going underneath, so we have a going profile light. So we have installed the profile lighting as well. Coming over here, this is all loft, what you are seeing above. This is black tinted glasses with a black profile shutters on it. This is a corner unit with S-crown. So basically this comes out with a satin finish, and so basically in the base we have used this deco, and this comes in a satin finish. So this one is a bottle pull-out with two tracks. So this all organizes your bottles, ketchup bottles and vinegar bottles like that. So this one is a hob unit which comes with a 5 burner itself. The first drawer is a cutlery drawer, includes your PVC cutlery organizer. We can also adjust this. Then second is your regular drawer. All the hardware we have used is Hetic. So incorporative, like the Inotech drawers we have used is Hetic, as well as the hinges we have used. So this is a big, like 300 pot and pan drawer. So this one is a chimney from brand Alika. So we have incorporated the combo of Alika 5, like there's a 5 burner, and this one is a chimney basically. Then this is your green unit, accommodates your all masalas and everything, and ये आपका आटा and चकले के space आ जाते हैं. Then this is your another glass shutter unit, comes with your black profile and black tinted glass. We have also incorporated spotlights just to highlight this complete cabinet. So this one is a regular drawer, and on the base we have used a wicker basket to all organizes your aloo pyaz unit. Then this one is a tall unit which incorporates your shelf storage basically, and this is your microwave stay. So basically right now the client has used the current microwave. We can also incorporate the built-in microwave in this space. Then this comes your 2 drawer unit. Thank you.